Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here. Welcome to the Gibson Garage Speed Shop. We're gonna give a little love to my son's VW Jetta wagon, 2003 1.8 liter turbo. Engine runs perfectly. I've been putting a few miles on it, making it the daily, feeling it out and making sure there's, or trying to find if there is anything wrong with it. So far, nothing to complain about. There's just the cosmetic stuff that we've known about. There's the bumper separation here, little fender bender on the other side of the bumper. We're looking for a cover to just go ahead and replace it. But this one today, we're going to focus on getting the door replaced. I already went to pick and pull and got a new one, same color, so it should be a pretty easy swap. I've got a fender liner because this one looks like it fell off and the tire chewed it up at some point, so we got that to replace, which is fine because we got at least the way we did it at the junkyard is we took the fender liner out and undid the hinge bolts for the door from inside the fender. I think we also got to take the fender off, but we'll see if we have to go that far this time now that we've done it once. We also picked up some trunk cargo stuff here that's like super clean, super nice. We'll replace all that. And you can see the headlights on those are really foggy, so we went ahead and picked these up too from the junkyard. Here's the door, rust free, same color, same interior. So, and it's time to get it out of the garage anyways and make some room. So let's get started on this fender liner. All right, we can see there's it's pretty tore up, and there's some wood screws and another screw there. And the only car I've ever worked on where the fender liners held in with actual steel bolts. So remove all these all the way around here and there. That one's not even connected. We got a leaking shock. No, it's just shiny. Goodness. Gotta clean that out. This one was just spinning in place, so we'll have to figure that out after we get all this nastiness out. Now I'm removing the bumper cover so I can get to the headlight bolts and also the rest of those fender bolts. And again, I don't know if this is the right way, but it's the way that worked for AJ and I. Blinkers. Markers. That was a bitch. It was glued in with sand all over the thing. Well, I want to remove the cowl because there's all kinds of dirt stuck in these gutters, drainage gutters. So, because it's just caked like it was in the fender there. So I got to remove the wiper blade arms first. leverage for wiggling there. That wiper arm doesn't want to come off, so it's soaking with some penetrating oil. I'm gonna get the fender off in the meantime. We'll wash it out later, I guess. We'll use a wrench for this. Is that all of them?
Mm-hmm. I didn't even think about it possibly falling.
Get that piece of harness for me right there.
And the wire on here.
Oh.
I'm gonna try and take the wire out of the clip, but oh, it's for the light bulb.
Door is off. Laying over there on the ground. I just got to put the new one on, and then we'll have to tear apart the inside of the new door to replace the lock mechanism. Well, we're getting the parts swapped out from the old rusty door to the new door. Then we had a little confusion to figure out how to change the locking mechanisms, but we figured it out. It's actually really simple. Pull out this plug. There's a torque screw that kind of spins a locking ring as you pull the screw out, and then this just comes right out. You pull the handle for clearance, and then this comes right out. Slide in the right one, screw the screw in, the locking ring kind of screws back in, and we're golden. You can test it with a key, and this does go up and down. So we changed out the speaker. We had to change the whole harness actually, because his car has premium sound Philips speakers, and it has a different connector than the one we pulled out of the junkyard. So we've got the harness changed out, the speaker. We're gonna keep the painted mirror because he likes it, even though the passenger's gonna be black.
I don't care.
He doesn't care. Got the clear lights are on. AJ's done with the swapping over everything to the new door, so now I gotta hold that up while he puts bolts in it. Oh, that's definitely heavier on the oh, it's spring loaded.
Ah, shit.
There it is. Okay, so let me get on the other side of it. And you on that side.
Where are the other?
Okay, so I can. Yep, throw it in the car inside.
We're gonna have to lift it up just a little bit. There, that started.
Okay. And then come from the inside, right?
Yeah.
Screw that in further, like almost all the way.
Where's the socket for it?
There's a 10. Bingo. I got the headlights in, we can put the fender on now. Well, we got the cowl off and it is terrible in here. Look at the AC filter over here. Oh my goodness. It's bad. So we'll get all this cleaned out. Oh, it's looking a lot better in here. Even blew out the filter. But it's very clean, ready for a spray down with some water. Then I come over here and remove this fender liner. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so gross. Well, we're getting it cleaned up. Sprayed it all down, top to bottom. Got the gutters cleaned out, fender walls, inner fenders cleaned out. So we can start putting it back together now. See what the final product is. So the cowl is on, fender's on. Just got a couple bolts underneath here. And then we can slap the bumper on. Where'd those bolts go? Alright, got the fender liner in. All the fasteners, all the clips, all legit. No more wood screws. And the screws are like sticking out now, way dirty, they're like standing out. But I want to try to take care of this real quick, just hammer that out a little bit. And if you got any ideas on how to get rid of this stuff without scratching up the paint, let me know. Well, I can't get it much better than that. It looks pretty good if you ask me. Just a quick little hammer and dolly. Just a couple scratches really. Where is it at? There it is. Can't hard to see in the camera. Then you find out this marker light was glued in. And I've got glue or something running down the side here. That's hard. Hard as a rock. So I'm missing some clips or something. I'm not sure. I'd like to see if we can get rid of some of this scuff mark here too. Usually you'd use some solvent and some polishing compound at the same time. When I don't have any polishing compound, all I have is alcohol, rubbing alcohol. But it seems to be doing a good enough job for now. And we are done for today. Got all that off of that corner. Almost looks like it wasn't even wrecked. Headlights are in. Unrusted door. I just got to get a new light. I can make this look like it's working for now. There we go. We got to get that marker off somehow. Even took care of this little dent down here. This thing's nice, much nicer. Still needs a little more love. We got to peel the stickers off. Maybe try to get that off. I don't know what that is. But it's not bad. Coming along. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate the views. Give me a like. Give me a comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Until next time, peace.